butcher this trade so bad, bro. So bad. Let's do it. Let's do it. 50-cent target. So much volume on this candle. Still could be good. Might need one more time. Might need to test this area, come back around, do it again. Should have failed here, should have failed in this area. And held through this pullback. If it's gonna do it in the most choppy way, it's not gonna be fun. Like this, right? What is this nonsense? So 30 seconds. 51. 51. Hmm. 51 could be good. Interesting here. Maybe a nice little dip under 50, see how well it holds. If not, 50 could be fine. I actually dipped. It said it did, but I didn't see it. No, no. Not sure yet. Fingering. It could work. I'll leave it alone. $6.40. We could take a nice little dip here if it goes a little lower. That's how well this wants to hold here. And 42. That's perfect. Didn't get much out there. Didn't get everything out there. We 7 still. Oh, nice. Oh, that's not nice. Bro. Ugh, that's the problem with pre-market, man. It really sucks when you're trying to get out. Bro. I'm trying to get the shares out. And I honestly, I don't know how much I made there. My P&L is blocked, so it's probably a loser. Now it's made a move here to $8. A lot of volume came in. Now we have to see what this wants to do. 40s. Dip under 8. How far of a dip are you going to give? Or even a dip at all? Yeah. False breakout. Looks like that was a false breakout there at 50. Coming down. What kind of dip are you going to give? Kind of dip. CELZ. SVRE. Do want to take it? Uh, 688 is the low of the gap. I mean, it's a big gap. I want to see how. I'll try to keep it tight, but no, it doesn't seem like it's gonna do. Oh, yeah, it's pushing. It keeps testing 50s and 50s. Now it's got a whole 50. No, it doesn't hold 50. Here we go. How far down are you gonna dip? It's a real question here. 680, 780. 688 is not low. Hmm. Mm. 780. Not, I was not too convinced with 780. I think we might be able to see a little more. How much more? Yeah, hopefully this, if it's not the beginning of the backside, I think there could be a good entry down here under 8. It likes to pull back, that's for sure. Here we go. 70s. There's a seller there. There's a seller there. '60s was not bad, but there was a seller. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe a little more. I'll take it in here. 49. Staying a little patient there. Reducing risk. And I wanted to see that fast. Nice. 57 and 53, I got out. Come on, come on, come on. Nice. Okay, well, got some there. I wanted to see that a little quicker on that bounce, but yeah, get me out, brother. Jeez. Trying to get out is so difficult. I need some offsets, that's for sure. All right, here we go. Open. What's gonna happen here? So CELC with a surprise move. Surprise move 80s. Could be good. It's moving quite fast. So you want to get a nice pullback. 70s. 3K might be too much. 3K on a dip, probably, that would be better. It's moving real fast and it's got a nice tight spread. So that's why I wanted to take 3K, but let's see. This next candle is important. What is it going to do? So gap and go set up here at the open. Unable to find an entry. Maybe there was an entry here at 3. Target on this. I mean, I don't think I have a clear target. 85. One sec. All right, here we go. So, um, we like this. Interesting dip there. 20s. Still waiting for a good setup for me. I mean, you can grab it right above 50 here, probably with a good move. As soon as it hit 50, it just took off. So we got some good moves there. So I want to grab this. Want to grab this in a pullback. Nice. Give a pullback. I'd like you to give a pullback here. 80, 70. Okay, 40 here. GEM. 9 seconds. Keep this real tight. If I see it, I'm gonna take it. Yep. I wanted to see how well 50 was going to hold. It held strong there, but you know, I wanted to see that price action just go right under 50 and see if it's got the support it needs. There's many times that I buy it there and it cracks. Yeah, there you go, you see? So that's kind of what I want to see. It's like, is it going to give support right under 50? How well is that support? Because if all of it is at 50, yeah, sure, I miss a trade to here to 80s, but I want to see that support be tested under 50, and then we can grab a really good move to 5. If I was hyper scalping, I would have taken a 50 and then sell 80. Just trying to be patient here, trade something that makes sense for me. If you're hyper scalping, then you probably got a few trades. You probably got more than a few trades in you. This is assuming you're lying. We're assuming at $3. This is not right. That would be crazy. I would buy it. Okay, this is resuming way lower. It might need another 10 minutes, but this might be an insta buy here. 330s, 340s. This might be an insta buy. 347. Mm. Okay, I'll take it out. Did not like that. Did not like that. I thought it would, it gave a dip and rip, but I did not like that fill at 47. Did not like that fill at 47, so I took it off. Could have been, like, it could have been a really bad loss here. So let's look for another trade here. It's looking better though. If it wants to hold up here, it's looking better. Over 4, over 410. Yeah, it's a pretty nice stock. 410 could be a spot. Here we go. It needs to hold though. Four ten needs to hold. 20 seconds there. Let's see how well you're gonna hold this area. Keeps testing it 2-3 times already. 14, 15. Might not do it. Yeah, it doesn't do it. You see, you buy 410, you're stopping out at 70s, you know, like it's a pretty rough entry here. If I'm thinking the algos are sitting right at 4, they're really not. The short algos are actually overpowering there, but if we get back over 410, I wish there was a gap here. I would have gotten on that dip, but there's no gap. And it's, look at this action. Like, just look at these. Like, just look at this. That's crazy. No. Really? All right. So we got this one here. Pre-market high 59, 53. We might actually get this here. I'll get in here. Tight stop. This might go. $56. That's not great. Not the best, but I'm past. I think I took already 8 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 8 trades. Took a lot of early trades this morning. So we'll see. As long as I'm taking my setup and it's not something taken out of control. 49 there could be good. $50. I mean, the other dip is down here. 48. 48 to 45. $50 is strong psychological support, so we'll see. We will see. I like this. Being a little more patient here since it likes to move a little slow here. If it retests 50. SSR, so it's getting shorted on the pops. 51. Here we go. 50, 49, 50. Okay, fine. 50. Back over 50. Okay, no. Got out of there. Nah. It could work. Don't want to fall into the trap of trading a lot. Could work there. I don't know. Maybe I'm right on this. I can't. I don't know. I'm covering my P&L. You guys can see it, but I don't. Maybe I'm right on the day. I can't. I don't remember. There's 49 there. That would have been a better dip right at 49. But I waited for it to reclaim 50. Hoping that it would reclaim it. It shook me out. Definitely shook me out there. So 410. I'll go through there. 410, but if it can penetrate and hold, it can go. This is 93. Oh, it froze. Wow. Level 2 froze. 26. Wondering how well a dip here would it be. Waiting because 4 is going to have a lot of support. Get that beautiful bounce off 4. Let's see. Volume is good. 26. Good dip? Maybe. Safety here. Two, yeah. Let's see. 4. Good dip 4. Hmm. Yeah. Look at this one too. Wow, there it is. 410. Or 9. I'm getting buyers here. My goodness, that took forever to fill. Ah, that took forever to fill. Okay, fine. Come on. That's already stopping me out. Uh, what was my average? What did I buy? Oh, did I click twice? Did I click twice? Oh, what the heck? Did I click twice? It looks like it bought 4,000 shares. I only bought 2K though. Why did it fill me twice? What? That's so weird. That was probably a massive loss. Okay. Well, I think it's gonna be a red day today. Here we go. 55 is that low. What are we gonna see here? Is this gonna be good enough? Give this another try. Seller. I would hold this to my stop. 55. What's the float on this? 2 million? I just feel like the float is much more than that. I mean, these candles have so much volume. Is this going to break? We could held 55 very good. Mm. Red volume is kind of too much. I'll be patient. I don't know if this is worth it. I try to get a dip here in the 90s. Oh well. All right, we're gonna finish it here. I'm gonna finish it here. End of the month, 2.1. Man, 5 days in a row. It's brutal. I have no words. The market's been rough on me, and I think the fact that I'm looking for pullbacks when momentum is hot, for what I'm trying to, let me see. Let me see if I can tell you what I mean. CELZ was hot throughout this part. I am looking for a pullback for us to establish a good foundation for the next move. I didn't trade this pre-market. Did I trade this pre-market at all? No, I didn't trade this pre-market at all. So, first of all, the daily chart on it looked awful, so that's why I didn't want to touch it around here. Then it was like 9 a.m. and I thought, okay, maybe I should just wait for the open. Let's see what happens. And you know what? There's so much opportunity here that I don't have a good strategy. Maybe I need to size down. I need to size down and commit to certain things. Commit to a pattern that I like. But I haven't discovered something good yet. I used to scalp it. Scalping works, but scalping was not profitable for me. My timing was off. My hesitation killed it, killed my trades. Anyway, so I might consider something in between of scalping, hyper scalping, maybe not hyper scalping, but scalping the front side here, with longer holds, which I've kind of do have a strategy, but it doesn't. I need more context. I need something. I need another pattern to look at so I can safely get into these momentum trades here going through this area, because this is hot right here. Anyway, it opened lower, halted, opened lower, and I thought, man, this is an insta buy. Insta buy it in 348. The one time it does a dip. Like that's just so weird. You know, so many times it opened lower and it never does a dip and it goes higher. This time it did a dip, went lower, I held. I'm thinking, okay, this is gonna do a dip and then we're gonna go back up. Then it lingered for too long. As soon the second I saw 60s, I'm out. You know, I don't like that my intuition was incorrect and I'm thinking might come down again and might, might not do a nice bounce. Anyway, got out, went a little higher. Then I tried another trade, looking for a dip, looking for my setup here. There's a gap here, looking for a dip under 4, see if we can get something good. And this is so weird. I gotta look at the tape again, the recording, because I definitely did not hit it with 4,000 shares. So 2,000 here, then another 2,000 here. So I'm pretty sure I didn't hit this with 4,000 shares. Yeah, like 4 seconds later. I'm pretty sure I didn't press it to unless I had a limit buy. It says it was a limit order. I gotta look into what I did, man, because I know I bought it. Something happened. I gotta look into the tape again and see where my click was. Unless I had an open or no. That's so strange. It's so strange. Anyway, I got filled with 4,000 shares, and I just had to get out 82. Um, in this respect to the gap was 93 right here, the low there. So, either way, 4,000 would have been nice if I had seen a nice bounce here to 40s, 30s, even 30s would have been real nice. Anyway, but we managed to keep it small, 160. Not bad, not bad. Um, anyway, first trade of the day, we ate a bad loss. We went for a dip. Dip did not work. Stopped out immediately. I don't think I got this on the recording. I pressed recording too late. I was already done with the trade. It happened too fast. Um, BIYA. Trying to go for a dip, disrespected. Trying to go for a gap and go here on the momentum. Got some out 55, some out 54 as it came down. No, I didn't like it. And then went for a dip here, 50 out 49. No choppy. 3 trades. Losses. CUPR, did we talk about this? Yes. SVRE, we went for a dip here. 42, out 72, out 64. Then I was looking to get out here on the rest out in this like around 7, I think. The high of this was 740. Anyway, and I couldn't get out. Brother, I couldn't get out. I tried to get out. I tried to get on the 50s. Couldn't get out. Try to get out 619. Couldn't get out. That's a problem, man. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna need offsets because this is kind of brutal now. It's brutal the fact that I can't get out and I need an offset so I can get out quick. Took another trade here on the dip. Nice 49, 88 pre-market. Yep, nice little dip there. Was watching it. 57, 53. Yeah, these were my first 2 exits. No, these 2. And then 88. And then again, I tried to get out, hitting the bid, but unable to get out 46. Flat. Yeah, not great. EDBL, another penny stock. Nice dip. Yeah, I'm cutting my winners. This is a good winner, I guess, but I'm cutting it too soon, it seems like. So I gotta hold it. I'm having like maybe a high expectation when it comes to these dips. because I want to take a dip and I wanted to work right away. And I think here it went against me to 33 and I wanted to get out, but I couldn't get out. And then luckily it bounced. So I'm thinking, okay, like this is testing the lows. I'm getting out 34 at least for something break even. Then something, then the rest out 30, 35, almost 35. It kept going a little higher, but um it was a wide gap. It's a big range, right? 30 to 37. So about a 7 cent range here. And I was trying to keep it tight. I don't want to hold this for 1, 2 cents. I want that dip to come and instantly give me that bounce. That's the only trade. Yep. GEM, GEM. Did we go over this? I don't know. But grab a dip right there on the gap and go. Out 65, the rest 51. So yeah, I think it's happening too fast and I'm just getting stopped out. Did I take another trade on this? No, that was my only trade. Honestly, I don't look at my P&L, but I thought I was red like 200 based on my last trade here. Based on this trade and how much size I took, I thought I was red like close to 200, but I'm glad to know that I'm only red 50, 57. So we're gonna finish the month here. The past 5 days, to be honest, have been brutal for me. I think this is a sign that I gotta trade the momentum going up, and the dips have not been serving me well. And this is a good example. When the dips don't work well, the bounces don't do well. I'm cutting it too soon. I'm mistiming it sometimes. I'm hesitating on some opportunities and take the worst ones. No, so I have to review and I have to jump in the momentum higher. Like I said at the beginning of this recap, CELZ has a lot of momentum going up, and I have to be able to join this momentum on the way up, either with 200 shares and add into it, and slowly build a good foundation for that. It's gonna have to be it, man. When the momentum is there, the momentum is there, but I at least want to see 2 green candles. So I gotta jump in here maybe in the 80s, 70s, and then see this thing for at least 1 and 2 green candles. All right. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to review and update my just a minor tweak on the playbook. All right. Anyway, this is gonna be it. Best month of the year so far, man. And we were looking to see like if I could break 3K, and then which I did break 3K here, I think. But I was not able to keep it. So hopefully next month we'll break 3K, 4K, 5. Turn that corner with big size. All right, thank you for watching. Come over to Mr. Profit, create your account, try it for free trading analysis tool. Check out all our features, really great features. Check it out. Join our community. People love Mr. Profit. It's affordable. It's got all the right tools you need as a beginner trader or advanced trader, whoever you are. It's got all the tools you need. Anyway, join our Discord channel. Hit me up there if you have any questions. I'm struggling 5 red days in a row. Have you had 5 red days in a row? Well, let's talk about it. I can tell you how I'm keeping these red days tight. It's not easy, right, to have 5 red days in a row and still be green on the month, right? So, your playbook matters. That's what I have to say. But chat with me. I'll tell you more. Join our Discord. And I'll see you tomorrow for the first day of the month of July.